Here's a quick video to show you how to reset your check engine light. It's really simple to do. All you're going to need is one of these onboard diagnostic scanners right here, and you can get that thing taken care of. All right, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need to locate where to plug in this scanner. And here's the steering wheel right here. Just going to go down here to the left side of it. And you can see this port right here. Going to plug straight into that. All right, now that we have the device plugged in, I'm going to go ahead and run the scan, showing the code that was found. And then right here you can see the second selection is erase codes. We'll scroll down to it, we'll hit yes, and the erase is done. You can see over here on my dashboard the check engine light's no longer on. Hope you found this video helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up.